Now, personally, just in my opinion, I think it's going to be easiest to start with one of these side locks to build. I don't even know if we're going to be able to build this thing. Hopefully, if you're watching this, we did, and it was a great success. So after a little discussion, we decided that we're going to start on building the maze lock first. And the maze lock relies on this small, what is this? It's like a 3mm metal magnet ball. And that's going to be, so let's put that there. Oh gosh. So that is going to help activate this magnet lock. You might have seen us use it in some of our other videos. And basically the way it works is it's a kind of a child lock that rests on a door. But whenever you bring a strong enough magnet close to it, this latch goes in. So the way that we're planning on using it is that it's going to be at the end of this maze right here. So this is going to be a little maze that we're going to carve out. I don't know how exactly we're going to do that. But the ball you're going to have to roll all the way through the maze, get it to land on the bottom of the lock so that it can come away from maybe a little planer piece that will stick on there. So we're going to start on that.
Just chipping away. Let's use a piece of plywood, and then it won't do that. It's not as bad, at least I think.
Okay. This stuff right here, Dad. It's super thick stuff. Right here. Nice, I think that'll work. That should work good. Now that we got the maze set up, we're gonna cut out this little hideaway or little area so that we can stick a stick in or maybe like a little pencil to get the marble off the lock when we want it to go back to its locking formation. Go down?
Yeah, it went down, so. That would help, you know.
It wants to go over there. Yeah, the magnetism is so.
Yeah, unlocked.
Unlocked. That was pretty cool, actually. Just like.
All right, so now.
Okay, so this was the first locking mechanism that we had to get done because it's really our biggest piece. And so now what we can move on to is the pyramid portion so that we can have the framework to make the rest of our locks. So since we've never made a pyramid before, we're going to make the framing on the outside first. That we're going to make out of this ripped 2x4. We'll get all the side angle pieces, which we're thinking is probably going to be like a 55-degree angle. That way we have more height on the inside of the box, or the pyramid thing. So we'll just do that. Yeah. Do you want it directly on this corner, Dan? Or just flat?
Yeah, because we're going to let the other pieces go past this. What we're actually going to need to do is have them come together and touch like this.
Like in a square?
Yeah, in a square. So we need to make a square right now. What I need to do is I need to make some connections here.
Like dados or something?
No, give me the. Right. Another thing we could do, if we wanted to connect these pieces, is just make a square base for it.
That's a good idea. All right, so while we're waiting for this pyramid thing to dry, we're gonna work on our next locking mechanism, which is gonna have 3 different, basically pivot locks. It's kind of like a combination lock, but a lot easier.
The way this is going to work is we're going to put another little peg on the end of this. We're going to push this through the wall of the pyramid. The peg is going to be able to fit in different slots inside this block. So we're going to be cutting this block and cutting some slots so that you have to figure out how to get it all the way off so that it'll come apart. So.